Transform your raw sales numbers into clear, actionable insights with this step-by-step Google Sheets sales report tutorial. First, let's set up our data. Imagine you have a list of your sales, including the date, product sold, quantity, and price. We'll enter this information into a Google Sheet, with each piece of data neatly organized in its own column. Now, we'll create a dedicated section for our report. It's great practice to have a separate tab for your analysis to keep your raw data clean. Click the plus icon at the bottom to add a new sheet and name it Sales Report. Let's start by summarizing our total sales in an empty cell on our Sales Report tab. We'll use a simple formula to add up the revenue from each sale. For instance, if your quantity is in column C and your price is in column D, you'd click in the revenue column and type C to D2, and press enter. This multiplies quantity by price for that row. To apply this to all your sales, simply click on the cell with your formula, and then drag the small blue square at the bottom right corner down to the end of your data. This copies the formula to all rows, calculating individual sale revenues. Next, let's get the grand total in an empty cell on your report tab. Type equals sum, and then highlight all the cells containing your individual sale revenues. Close the parenthesis by typing, and press enter. This gives you your overall sales figure. To make this visually appealing, let's add a title like Total Sales. Above your grand total, you can then use Google Sheets formatting tools to bold the text, change the font size, and add a background color to make it stand out. Now, for deeper analysis, we can see our sales performance over time. Select your date and revenue columns, go to the Insert menu, and choose Chart. Google Sheets will suggest a chart type, but you can easily switch to a line chart to visualize trends. This line chart will show you how your sales have fluctuated day by day, week by week, or month by month, making it easy to spot patterns and busy periods. You can also track sales by product. Use a pivot table for this. Go to the Data menu and select Pivot Table. Choose to create it on your existing sales report sheet. Then drag Product to the rows and Revenue to the values. This will instantly create a table showing the total revenue generated by each individual product, giving you insights into your best sellers. Finally, to present your report clearly, you can add headings for each section, like Overall Summary and Product Performance. Use formatting to make your report easy to read and understand, turning your data into powerful business intelligence.